Hi guys, Phil Morgan here. I want to talk to you today about a brand new product called Ziliate. Name's up there. It's launched on Saturday 15th of January. It's absolutely incredible. There's been so many launches this year of new products in the internet marketing field, and honestly a lot of them have been absolute trash. So I haven't reviewed any of them and put a public review out, should we say. This is completely different. My problem reviewing it is it's almost too good. There's too much in there to show you. So I'm going to scoot through it really quickly because it can be easier for you to go through this and look at it yourselves, because there is just so much to go through. What you get for this package and the upsells they do is stunning. I can't see how they can afford to do it. The work that's gone into this is amazing. I've got a thing about not worrying about how something works. I drive a car. I haven't got a clue how it works, but I can drive it. I feel the same with a lot of products. There's a lot of reviews that go into how it does this and how it does this and how it does that. I don't really care how it does it as long as I get an end result. And that's really what this product gives you. So let's have a quick look through it. I'm just going to reduce this over there, take me over there. This is the page where I'm going to explain it to you. There's a review of it here. It's not my review, it's actually theirs, and I've used theirs rather than the one I was going to do because, to be honest, theirs is better. So I'd go through and have a look at this. They explain to do it. It's all about giving you things to sell. And you can sell €10 or dollar products, or you can sell €100 or €1,000. This is teaching you how to use higher ticket stuff, and where you can make less sales, but you get more money from it. The program is automated, it's simple to use, it's not difficult. So if you're new to this and you think, oh, it'll be very complicated, it does most of it for you. It's not a promised you're going to make X number of dollars per day, because they don't know if you can do any work or not. You have to work this. This isn't a sit back and do nothing. This is you put some effort in, you'll get results from it. Too many products come out saying you haven't got to do anything. This is not the case. Look, you've got an early discount here if you get in very quickly, and there's some bonuses here, 15 bonuses. I'm actually going to give you more than that. This is the first page we've done. I found a way of give you an extra link where you can come back to me, and then I'll send you some more bonuses if you buy the product. But you're going to get these 15 with them. They're guaranteeing that you will make money. And if you don't, they give you the money back. This is a huge bonus because they know it works. It's costing them nothing. It's easy to guarantee something when you know it's going to work. So this is the breakdown of it. It's pointless me reading it to you because you can go and read this yourself. And then you can read it in your own pace rather than the pace that I would go at, which is too fast for some, too slow for somebody else. This breaks it all down about how you can create sites with it. This is all drag and drop stuff, so it's actually simple to do. Done for you, showing done for you tools on how to drive traffic. This is the most important thing about internet marketing. People go for products. They don't think, how are they going to get this product out there? They do this for you. They teach you and show you how to get traffic to it. You're better off having a substandard product, not that they're giving you substandard products, by the way, and get traffic rather than the best world and no one look at it. So the traffic side of this is absolutely huge. They're also showing you how to build an email list. This is an email list is your future income, shall we say, because you'll have an email list of people that you can sell to. And if you look after your list, it will pay you, provided you treat your list nicely, that is, and just don't try and con them. But that's a separate issue. But look after your email list. Live chat support, it's money they put into this. But they know it works. The two guys that have launched it have been in the business for a long while. They know their way around everything, and to be honest, I wish to God I was as clever as they are. So this is the thing to come to break down how you do it. They've made their money from it, excuse me, already. They've tried this, they've used it, and it's as simple as that. And they've all they've had us out, they've had new people try it out. That's a little reminder of the bonuses. This says you get your money back through, on a refund if you don't like it. A few reviews there. This guy will only review, I know him, will only review something he likes. Other people will put reviews on because they're friends of theirs. This isn't the case with this guy. He will only review he likes. So this is the product. Go through it and just see exactly what you get, because it's just too much to go through to try and explain it to you when you can all read. So there's a demo that's been included. So the demo will show you how it works and break it down quickly for you. It's a 4-minute video, really way of showing you how to do it. This is the bonuses that you're going to get. This is the 15 bonuses: affiliate rockstar, marketing success, traffic generation, social media. This social media is a huge way of getting traffic. SEO, this is how to set up at the sites that they set up with you. They've given you the tools to do it, and then make sure the sites get ranked as well as they can. Bonus 6, a link cloaker, which is, I won't go into it. If you don't know what link cloaker is, you'll find out. List building secrets, niche cache, commission overdrive, video guide, a store, commerce stores paying huge at the moment because there's a lot of people indoors and they're shopping online. So great time to get into e-commerce. And it just goes on. Niche business jumpstart, sales video assets, unlimited stock photos. That's always a good thing to have photos that you can go back onto. Loads of articles that you can use, and PLR more articles there. These are 15 bonuses they're going to give you. I'm going to give you extra bonuses. I'm going to give you my email address on the paperwork here. You go over to my email address and you send me a receipt to say that you bought the product. I send you the other 2 bonuses I've worked out for you. So this is being sold for $23. There's upsells to go with it. This page has not got the upsells. So bear with me a second. I'm page to this one where I've put details down of the upsells. I'm going to give you links to both of these in a minute. It takes a few seconds to click through, so bear with me a few seconds if you would. The upsells are absolutely incredible. They all come with the 30-day promise as well. If you really are interested in making money online this year, I haven't seen anything better. All of last year, I don't think anything touched this for quality of production. I'm going to put you on hold for a couple of seconds. It's taken longer to come back, so there'll be a bit of a jerk in the video, so hold on. Okay, back again now. It took a little while to load up. So this is the second page I've done. I put the video back on the demo again. Quick breakdown of what it does. This is just a quicker way of looking at it rather than the other page. Links here that will go through to the guy's sales page, and that will explain more details to you again. Breakdown there. What I've done on this page basically is broken down what you get on the front end. These are the one-time offers that you're going to get. I've got the prices just back here for a few seconds. One-time offer, $47 a month, or you can buy it for $67. I mean, but you get your guarantee with it. Option 1 here is $27. There's an extra one for $1 more. So come on, it's nobody will buy the $27. That gives you a license to it as well. And there's a way of signing up. This is a 5-year sign up for more products and everything that goes with it. So, but rather than just looking at it and saying, I'm not paying that, wait until you get to the position. When you buy the front end, they will say, thank you very much for buying this. Now, do you want this? And they will go through on this one offer alone and explain it to you. I've seen the page for this. The page is just as long as this one. It goes on, but they are putting so much stuff in here. It really is something that's incredible. And if you want to make money, I think this is so important to look at this rather than some of the other stuff I've seen coming out where it says, sit and press 2 buttons, don't do anything, and you'll earn $10,000. They just don't work. This is something you're going to work at. It's a business. It's not going to take hours and hours because once you've set it up, it runs itself. But you have to put that bit of work in. You have to build you don't have to. You should build an email list. That takes some work. So they're not making any false promises that you're going to sit and do nothing. If you put some hours in a week, and this can be done on a part-time basis as well, you're going to make money off of this. If you don't make it in the 30 days, just ask for your money back. On that, I've also broken down what the one-time offers are. So this is a one-time offer 1 where they get Limitless, because on the first one you're limited a little bit. Second one you go into it and it's you get limitless number of sites for $67. It's a huge difference between this and this. So you'd buy this one, and remember on the first page there's a discount of $11 on this anyway. That will drop to $10 in a few hours, then $9 a few hours later, but the discount does drop. So I would say look at the one-time offers as you go through it. Once you bought the main front end, that's the breakdown of that one again, saying what it is. This is the 28 extra bonuses that I'm going to offer you. And at the bottom of the page, I've listed 10 of them there, by the way. I couldn't bother to put the 28 down because I think you should sit and be reading it forever. This is my view of life. I don't look at things of how they work because I'm not that clever. I just want to know, does it work and can I do it? This is a product that, yes, you can do it. It is simple to use. The back end of it, I don't understand, and I don't need to understand it. I just want to know that I can sit down, follow a pattern, and then it works for me. This product works. You've got your 30-day guarantee with it. If you don't like it, you get your money back. Quick recap on it all there for you with the bonus package there. Where have I put it? This is my contact email, contact@philsmarketingsite.com. If you buy the product, you come back to me on that email and say, hey Phil, I've bought this product, here is a copy of my receipt. I will then forward you the 28 products, I said that 10 of them are listed here, 28 products that go with this product for you. That's about it, because everything else you can do yourself. I really do think that this is something that's exceptional. And if you're looking at this anyway, you're interested in making money, otherwise you wouldn't be here. And I think this is an incredible way of doing it, and it works. That's the bottom line. It teaches you everything. It shows you how to do it. It gives you the tools to do it. It gives you the tools to get the traffic. So Ziliate is an incredible product. I really think that you should go and do it, because if you don't, you're going to miss out on it. Now, this is so important that you don't sort of think, oh, I'll have it next week or a week after, a week after. The price is going to go up. In a week's time, it shoots up. If they even carry on after a week, depends how many people that buy it in the first place. This is going to sell like nothing. Be first on the list, get in early, get your discounts with it. Use your month, use your 30 days to try it out to ensure that it works for you. Nothing works for everybody. So I'm not going to make you a false promise that it will work for you. I will make you the promise that if you follow what the guys do, then you will make the money. If you don't, you get your money back with it. So I would say go ahead, check out the product. It's called Ziliate, and I don't think you're going to find a better product anywhere. I haven't seen one this year particularly come out. I didn't see that much last year that was anywhere near the quality of this. So take care, look after yourselves. It's a strange world at the moment, but this, because of the strange world at the moment, is making people look for other ways of earning a living. This is not tying you down to something. It's teaching you so much, and you can do, we talk about niches, markets. This isn't limited to one niche or market. So if you're in the internet marketing, make money online, you can use it for that. If you're into dog leads, if you're into baby clothes, the process can be used on any market you want to work on. You've got your extra bonuses going there. One was talking about e-commerce, online shop. They're doing so well at the moment. Amazon have loved the COVID. I hate to say this. They're making a fortune because people are shopping more on Amazon than they did before, and that was huge. Bricks and mortar shops are suffering, and the online businesses, a lot of them are rocketing at the moment. So I hope this has been clear for you. I hope it's outlined some of the things. Go ahead, check out the pages. The links are below on the below the video here, on the site, on the video, or on YouTube. Then subscribe as well, so you get some updates on the future stuff that I do. And take care and look after yourselves. And I hope you like the product. You've got my email address, contact@philsmarketingsite. Any questions on internet marketing that you want answered, come back on that and I'll answer them for you. If I can, if I can't, I know someone that can. So thanks a lot. You take care and look after yourselves.